Hello everyone. In last video I have shared the English syllabus for pre-primary. Now in this video I prepared some questions based on that syllabus. So let's start. The first question is, which letter comes between S and U? So there are four options. Kids need to find the correct option. So S and U, the answer is T. The second question, find the circle which has a downward open curve. So which one is the downward open curve? The right answer is this. Find the circle with the three letter. There are four letter and the three letters. So the right answer is B. Find the fourth question is, find the circle which has the plural. So singular and plural. So the right answer is this. Which letter has a standing line? R or O? So the correct answer is R. Which letter comes before N? Find the circle. So what comes before the N? Their answer is M. Now seventh question is, find the circle who teach us, teacher or gardener. So the right answer is teacher. Find the circle which has four letter word, eat, cake. So the right answer is cake. Which letter has two standing line? Find the circle. So J or H. So the right answer is H. Find the circle which begin with letter D. This is television and this is duck. So the right answer is duck. Find the circle which has a capital letter. There is one capital M and a small a. So the right answer is capital M. Which thing begin with letter B? Balloon or cheese? So the right answer is balloon. Which thing begin with letter T? Train or Caesar? So the right answer is train. Find the circle which has a sheep. So tap or sheep. So the picture of sheep is the right answer. Find the circle which has a doctor. So there is doctor and firefighter. So the right answer is doctor. Our next question is, find the missing letter. So there is a series K, then what will come after K? L, then M, then O. So the right answer is L and N. What is the capital letter of M? So which one is the capital letter of M? So this one is the right answer. Which is the correct beginning letter of the picture? So there is a picture of clock. So the answer is C. C for clock. What comes after O? H, L, P. What comes after O? So it's P. There is a capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Which letter is odd one? T, E, U, V. So there is all the small letters T, U and V. So the odd one is capital letter E. Find the next question is, find the missing letter. R, S, T. Then what will come after T? There is U. Unscramble the letters to make a word and tick the picture. So there is a one word that is you have to unscramble it. So that is S-T-A-R. So S-T-A-R. So what is it? This star. Star is the right answer. Find the odd one. There are four options: T, T, O, R, by, U, U. So all are same, capital small, capital small. Only this one is the odd one, O and R. Find the missing letter. E, F. Now what will come after F? There is G. So capital G, small g, H, I. So this is the right answer. How many capital letters are there in the word pencil? So you have to find the capital letter. So there is 1, 2, 3. So our correct answer is 3. Now next question is, which picture does not begin with letter S? So there is socks, shell or line. So socks and shell begin with letter S, only line is there. So this is the right answer. How many small letters are there in the word Almira? So how many small letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is the and 5. So the right answer is 5. There are the 5 small letters in word Almira. Which letter is odd? T, E, U, N. So again all are small letter and this is the capital letter. So this one is odd. So our next question is, take the correct option. There is a spelling of line. So kids need to find the beginning letter and the end letter. So the L, I, O, N. So where is L and N? So this is the right option Lion, lion. Now our next question is, take the initial letter of the name of the object in the picture. So there is a picture of robot. So robot start with R. R is the correct answer. Which of the following is a bobble? B-G-U-Z. So the bobble is U. Kids need to know about the bobble. Which of the following is a consonant? So there is a bobble A, E, I. So consonant is T. Which of the following is incorrect? Shell start with S, dog start with E, or clock start with C. So the dog start with E? No, the dog start with D. So this is the incorrect. Which pair is incorrect? K, K, small k is capital K, small k, capital M, small m, W, Q, or N or small n. So this is the incorrect option. Now next question is, which pair is the odd one? T and V, S, Z, Y, Y, and the N, X. So which one is the odd? All are the different letter, only this one is the same. So this one is the odd one. Which is the vowel in the word hat? In the word hat, which one is the vowel? There is a vowel A. So the right answer is A. How many letters are in word mango? So how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 letters. Which letter is repeated twice in the word tall? Which letter is repeated? There is L. L is repeated. So the right answer is L. Which order is incorrect? J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, W, X, Y, Z, or B, F, N, B. All are in sequence, only the last option is the incorrect. So this is the right answer. Which formation of the given letter is incorrect? Now W, V, this one, and T. So this is the Z or B, F, N, B. All are in sequence, only the last option is the incorrect. So this is the right answer. Which formation of the given letter is incorrect? Now W, V, this one, and T. So this is the wrong S. So this is the incorrect option. This is the incorrect. Which order is correct? Q, R, S, T, D, C, B, A, N, P, Q, R, and W, V, X, Z. So which order is correct? Q, R, S, T. The next question is, which letter is repeated maximum time? D, O, C, T, O, R. In doctor, which letter is repeated maximum time? There is O. This is repeated 2 times. 1, 2. So the right answer is O. How many vowels are there in the word igloo? In igloo, how many vowels? I, O, O. So there are 3. So the right answer is 3. Which face is happy? This one is the happy face. Complete the sequence X, Y, Z, K, L, M, and R, S. So what will come here? What will come before R? So there is Q, R, S. Right answer is Q. Take the missing letter to complete the word. There is one picture and kids need to complete the spelling. G, then what will come? I, F, T. So which one is the correct option? I, T. Take the initial letter of the name of the object in the picture. So this is the picture of crown. So the right answer is C. C for crown. Which is plural picture? There are 4 blocks and there is 1 hat. So the plural picture is this one. Which is singular picture? 1 cheese and there are 3 buttons are there. So this is the singular picture. Which of the following is related with eating? The sandwich, ball, or dice. So the related to eating is sandwich. So friends, these are some sample questions which I prepared. You can take reference to prepare more questions. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.